Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM invites opposition to discuss electoral reforms. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Saturday stressed the need for electoral reforms after the major political parties that contested the NA 249 by election cast aspirations on the polling process. Only 1 in 100 get COVID shot in Pakistan. More than 1.8 billion vaccine doses have been administered worldwide, equal to 14 doses for every 100 people. There is already a stark gap between vaccination programs in different countries, with some yet to report a single dose. US NATO troops begin pullout from Afghanistan. The United States formally began withdrawing its last troops from Afghanistan, bringing its longest war nearer to an end, but also heralding an uncertain future for a country in the tightening grip of an emboldened Taliban. India's COVID 19 daily cases hold close to record. Another state imposes lockdown. India's new coronavirus cases dipped marginally on Sunday, but deaths due to the infection jumped by a record 3,689, with one more state going into lockdown as the nation's cracky healthcare system is unable to cope with a massive case load. May Day protesters demand more job protections amid pandemic. In Paris, workers and union leaders dusted off bullhorns and flags that had stayed furled during coronavirus lockdowns for slimmed down. But still boisterous and at times violent May Day marches on Saturday demanding more labor protections amid a pandemic that has turned economies and workplaces upside down. Progress noted at diplomats' talks on Iran nuclear deal. High-ranking diplomats from China, Germany, France, Russia, and Britain made progress at talks on Saturday focused on bringing the United States back into their landmark nuclear deal with Iran, but said they need more work and time to bring about a future agreement. Taiwan's first batch of COVID-19 aid leaves for India. Taiwan's first batch of aid to India to help it fight a surging increase in COVID-19 infections left for New Delhi on Sunday, consisting of 150 oxygen cylinders. Myanmar protesters raise voices to shake the world, more mystery blasts. The protests, which the military has been unable to stop with lethal suppression, were coordinated with expatriate communities around the world to mark what organizers call the Global Myanmar Spring Revolution. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.